Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. So for the past couple months we have been working on our 05 STI, and our 22 has been our daily workhorse. So with that, our front lip has taken a beating over the past year. This is like my second or third lip. I do have a couple like pieces that I can swap out, but AeroFlow just released about a month ago their new version of their front lips, where it's more of a poly mix than just like the brittle plastic that it was before. Now I'm not super low, but like my driveway and some bumps just in going downtown and stuff has chipped away the bottom part of the lip. And these new lips that AeroFlow has just released, it fixes all of those issues. So on the other side of the car, I have the new front lip laid out. It looks just like this. Now I do have some different mounting hardware I'm going to try out to see if I can just make it easier to take on and off in case something does happen in the future. But let's get this front bumper taken off. I'll get you guys set up over here. It should just be pretty quick. We're going to take some of these bolts off up top. We did swap out some of the clips for our dress up bolt kit. And then everything else is the same. We have like 2 clips on the side, a couple on the bottom. The bumper should just come right off, and it should be a quick and easy swap once that bumper's taken off. But let me get you guys set up. We'll get this bumper taken off and we'll get our new lip put on. Let's go. All right, so our bumper is removed and the front lip is unscrewed. I do have it over here. I want to show you guys how like beat up it is. So just starting on this side here, we got a chunk missing on that side. The center has a few pieces missing out of it. And this side completely exploded at some point, and it is zip tied back together. So definitely got my use out of this lip. It's been on the car for about a year or so. So this is just gonna go in the trash, and we have our brand new one laid out here. Now it looks exactly the same as the other one, but the material that it's made out of is different. And that's why I decided to replace it now, since this should not splinter and crack just like this. So with the bumper taken off, we're going to take our time getting everything mounted up, and we'll get everything put back on the car. Get the car outside, we'll get some pictures, and we'll see how our new front lip looks. Let's go. Just like that, our front end is transformed, brand new again. Dang, I just forgot how good this car looks with a brand new front lip. Super shiny, and it just flows great with our gloss black flares. Now I really want to connect them right here and just get this gloss black as well. So I know AFD does sell some like paint matched ones, but we can get the black ones and just kind of continue this gloss black theme. And it's just really looking great right now. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Car's looking really good. We have more parts coming for this car, like the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit. I do have that plan to maybe get that installed in August, as we're still working on the STI. I got that pulled back in here. Now we are still tuning this. That's why we didn't have a video last week. We're not really having any issues with the tuning. It's just taking a little bit longer than I thought. But once we get that knocked out, we will jump back to the 22 get that flex fuel kit installed, retune it, and see how much power we make. We should be well over 500 horsepower with the G3900, but we'll see until then. Till next time, see you guys.